Good evening, wonderful viewers. It's your girl, Timalicious, and of course, you all know you're watching me from Gentite TV channel. Today, our topic of discussion will be centered on the gay. I mean, Gambia now, it's crazy. You wouldn't believe this if you go to a pageantry program. That's the time that you will realize that so many things are going on in the Gambia. So my question for the day is, did the gays have, or gay, anyhow you pronounce it, have the right to live within our society, especially in the Gambia? That is my question. So if you have anything to say on that, just go to the comment section and tell us yours as well. Because your opinions are very, 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 very important. And nonetheless, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share all the time as we bring you the most important topic, the talk of the town, every Friday.
Ndaw men follow la njere ya bele fo fem yalan ko te muslim woldi e ba muslim e fa muslim ko membo nyama o ko le men ko nyambutal yana san ha
Mu ne nyambundi
anyo ria jube rek e ñon kewo kay mom o mun ko le dal mi yalan ko dino man la fala ala man la fala so it's not normal, Dal.
It's not normal.
Yeah, it's not normal.
So what advice do you have for them? Especially Gambian all the time. Because you can't understand, when you do the pageantry program, like, you can suck like the kind of things at times. So what advice do you have for them?
Yalan saying is very common, especially in society mental young. Yeah, saying come keje le fong ibu kamala le fong keje le katani adu ka ke mateolti. You understand? Ado Gambian mu bankol te me ko comme Muslim bankol almost 95% of Gambians are Muslim old. So ko membo yam sa ko Muslim old siara ja. Ado akonyin dal their advancement moment yalo come you are into that or malo sifal that. So, you know, my advice is that you ko bondo ku sifal ko, you know, ye ke Muslim can do it, you know. You understand? So it's not normal, that it's not nice, yeah.
Anyways, thank you so much. We really appreciate your opinion.
You have to do it, you know. Yeah, this is something like akabango tinyale. So kontola ninjamano Muslim bango le tinami. Yeah, so yendaka trailer nyato nkoli ya diam. So niaje atol media nkol ka fight atol fana lafta ko comme ya stop. Yeah, so ya try comme ya bla. Amu feneta am necessary. Yeah, man necessary.
So kaka bango tinyala dia.
Just like yalon jamu Muslim bangolet. So nata da fo atara fai fenko soto ha siata so ndolbe nyina la musuku wala.
Benyina la musuku wala.
Albenyina musuku so keoni keo fo manyenta kake. Ha atarata nunne nto e halako jindigalka. So nabijang ni halako nata. Halako buga motu. Abuga jibe comme ite muslim kendo leti ite gala batu bagele tenenten no ala ko bugo jibe aka mobele ma because of munen atol be siring alma kele no atol munen daga kele alma kele so ni ala ko nyinata abatol bele mala so is there something like we have to try to fight it.
Very good.
Yeah.
So what advice do you have for the people who yalan ko be comme la faka dunga ko na la wala ba ko fa pareta e mo advice
comme ya itol fango ya lonne comme like amambeti ya num janna tol kadung ale ya jele like amambeti ya so iba kele kanyame anun tonyalem so mbala dan la comme na tarabe momum kono alma ala ya bondi kono yeah it is something like is bad. It's bad. It's really, really bad. You know what I mean? Yeah.
So we had this together. It's bad. So let's try our best to avoid it.
Yeah.
As he said. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Molia appreciate la.
Yeah.
Ala baraka baake.
ñooñu amuñu right de.
Lu tax nga wax amuñu right?
ñooñu dañu wax bëgg a yàq réew mi rek.
Si naka lañ ko bëgg a yàq.
Si niñ nekk di def loolu nekkul kiw réew mi.
Yow lan nga fa ne loolu lañ war a def.
Man nag mënuma bàyyil ma dem.
Why you guys doing it? Bro, I know camera bi.
Okay, okumo very easy because I young abadami malaka kedami because ntamai. For you always me don't be caring dende. Min kereja. Ngajele no molbe president Benola Siloka. Ngacho ya e pare ko muso. Abe Siloka. Ando fo dem madam ay den ko to Gambia fon. Do fon to ma sekondala ma fo Gambia dum fon ma. E mele rat le fon lo to mala fon yende mi naf kele wala mala fon yende mi naf ko bayel. na bo nyama fo o mangen ne kelo nyama because muslima banko muslima benga beja you understand so say ni show kan pare ko muso akana silo kan moli baji be ko mas ko na moli baji professeur baji fongol baji be ko nyama mobe yaji mobe atu nyama je so ni lunta min naro baji ne nyaaro gambe be lafri nyum ko walal because am ko ya gambie you understand anu muslima dino man la fala haram ta fa haram ta ko rek yawde karanal ya fole ko malo anabla lot la mo fa abla lot yaja wala jamano la ele mo le kagal fo ala kam fara banko yele man di fe so wada kula mire ku haram rum balam mo mangi national society kon so banko fango sa society kon mo yage ko dati be jam okay luaslal bebul ingende luaslal kis la bake mi ala ko no fo be kono fo de kon because mo mangi ne ala wala kele so fongon anela ko nyo fanga mangi ne kare ndo do mo so sama fo no ye
baraka bake ala ko mo nyata baraka na question o ni wala nga realize de modol bi de mul yalan ko e ke famma comme ke wala bari wato dol ke famma ko musu ma rek wala ke wonin ke dol ka intention so furuka futu e de ma wala tar nyin de relationship ko wala hala man siya Gambia wala bari sa killing mo je no dula wala outside the Gambia ya understand wala Gambia bantala I don't know how to say it. Come outside the Gambia, right? So, those people, did they have the right to stay within our society? Especially Gambia, jam pur katare mol kono. Mulialan ko, kewlo mulialan ko ngani osto pur ke nyong kewal futu wala musol mulialan ko ngani osto pur ke nyong musol futu. Lesbian okay.
No, yalo. Definitely, ni la fra ka to nyafo, ndolo mu muslimo lede. Although Gambia man 100% Muslim, but Yemen for 95% all Muslim. So ninga tara obe caring, and we parent all mo soto na manke loi do kulati. To be kan barin kanyum na loi to mo soto follow ka fuko chening che fudu wala muzuna muzu fudu.
Gambia loi kono.
Antara na loi to. So ninga tara obe caring. Omo sifala manyana tara na society ko because even society ni mina tinyala. And until even Christianul, nga Christian friend masuru barigale mo sifal ideal support. So dunjang Muslimol nin Christianol lebejang. Oto no be kero mo sifal manyana tarlam ko because no kera sama amena dino tinyala ben dindul tinyala ben adol tinyala be famo bele tinyala. Ande omongde manya kendoti. Andu ni mansa kunda ko be la moyla comme ko pour mendiata moli yow ke dorom wala mo dol beje because nga moy do ba fo kanko ye bilol men samba député bungol to nen député wol mansor man sukunda be fola ko de jamalla ko do man kumaya ila bete ya wala kumaya ko do because ko do mo fennata katala kana so ni wo ko do ya dila to kala ko wo ko do be continue na kadila ko do nyi ba dila period la de no period o nyim banta ni adila no ko do banta man ko every yale me naibe ko do nyine o every so mol nyanda wolto mirala na hadamadiya na woloro men be mbul weto mbulu wala kumaya because ni o sama na society ko be society bi ba tinyalale anu ni ati nyawma mol na fa fen te lakira alamina men kele mari lebe ni misala muna ne baluta dunia
sayte mu advices do comme nakata mo yanga ni usto purukake wala amantane mo la luwa ko do jaawo yene fo nakata yanati on a debate side puraye na wala kana na ite mu advice to
non de me advice la debate ol kana hani ko ni kana entertain fan hay kana entertain mu meleke bigo ni entertain ibe encourage no lale bur ya fay akana ka kuma de men nyanta discourse la wondolo muslimol nin christianol lerdi wala be banku nga ando o nyin dina fulonta man dina jejam me nyin ku nyin support no akana discourse mu
anyways abaraka baage thank you so much abaraka anyways ñoko degandor people opinion from different end yiti wax nañ li bari nak honestly so we are going to clarify something. We are not saying this is happening in the Gambia wala dafa bokk ci suñ loi bi understand ngeen but we are saying that munna am mu ngi am tamit wala let's say 1 or 2 people or 3 people or few people are practicing it secretly you understand so luñ don try pour confirm rek those people did they have the right wala su dee mu ngi happen sa ci Gambia did those people have the right to stay within our society because I believe Gambia we have Christians and Muslims that is Islamically but if you come to look at it apart from that tamit those people, did they have the right, I said right, to practice it, because they are also human beings, you understand? So that is what we were asking the people. People have said what they wanted to. So if you think you also have anything to add on that, you can just go to the comment section and write your own. Tell us whether they have the right to stay within our society, especially in the Gambia. And also, if you have any advice for them, if you think it's a good idea, you can write it on the comment section. If you think it's a bad idea, also you can write it in the comment section and give us your advice about that particular thing. So this is all that we have for you today. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share all the time. And a very big thanks to my cameraman, Ibrahima Yalo. And also another big thanks to Mr. President Chuku and the director himself, the CEO himself, Mr. Chair. Thank you so very much. Till we meet again.